A lot of my students ask me how and why we tie our belts a certain way. We're going to cover it today. Usually when you tie your belt, you want to start with the length that you think your belt is going to be on the left side. Okay? So that's the short side and the long side. You're going to wrap, taekwondo is opposites. You're going to wrap the right part, which is the longer part, over the left belt. So make sure it's all lined up so it's not folded in the back. So you kind of make sure that that's all lined up in the back here so it doesn't get all tangled. And once you have that part, the belt that you just wrapped it around, now it's on top. And like I said, taekwondo has the philosophy of opposites. Opposites balance everything. So the one that is on top now goes under both of those belts, both of those strands of belts. So we go fold it under and over this. See? So now we have different lengths, so you can kind of shift it to the right or left depending on what it is to even it out. And once it's even out, you can kind of see this right here. Okay? And the bottom one will turn to the left, like we start everything in the left. Like with our forms and everything, we start on the left side, so we turn to the left and kind of make it look like a ribbon like this, see? And then the one that is on top now goes under and through. And then you can tighten it. And I like to tell my students it makes a C for champion. So that is how we tie our taekwondo belt. And there's lots of meanings with it, but the basic meaning is that opposites together is the strongest. So you need opposite to balance out everything that you do in taekwondo.